Hey everyone! Welcome back to Smart Architectural Programming. Today, we're going to build a fun and interactive memory game using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This game will test your memory skills by challenging you to match pairs of cards. Let's dive in. Here's a quick look at the game we'll be creating. You'll see a grid of cards, and when you click on two cards, they either match or flip back over if they don't. The goal is to find all the matching pairs. Let's start by setting up our project. We'll create three files: index.html, styles.css, and script.js. These will contain our HTML structure, CSS styles, and JavaScript logic, respectively. In our index.html file, we'll set up the basic structure of our game. We have a div with the class game board where our cards will be displayed. The CSS and JavaScript files are linked as well. Next, let's add some styles in styles.css to make our game look good. Here, we style the game board as a grid with 4 columns. Each card has a front and back, and we use CSS transformations to handle the flipping animation. Finally, let's write the JavaScript code in script.js to handle the game logic. Here's what's happening in our JavaScript code. 1. We start by defining the cards and setting up some variables to keep track of the game state. 2. The shuffle function randomly shuffles the cards array. 3. The create board function generates the card elements and adds them to the game board. 4. The flip card function handles the logic for flipping a card and checking if it matches with another card. 5. If the cards match, the disable cards function removes the click event listeners. 6. If they don't match, the unflip cards function flips them back over after a short delay. 7. The reset board function resets the game state for the next turn. And that's it. You've built a simple but fun memory game using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This project is a great way to practice working with the DOM and handling user interactions. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Architectural Programming for more coding tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!